If your son or daughter is about to start university, it's natural to be a bit nervous. It's a big step for both you and them, but don't worry. Here at the University of Nottingham, we're really experienced in helping students make a new home. This video will give you a quick rundown on everything we do to keep your son or daughter safe and secure, and the support we provide during their stay with us. Plus, at the end of the video, we'll go through some important information on how we communicate with you and your child. Our campuses here at the University of Nottingham are incredibly safe places. Our campuses are to the west of the busy areas of the city and have security on campus and around the residences 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. CCTV cameras are dotted around the campus, allowing us to monitor safety and security over a wide area. All our residences are very secure too, with key card access required to get into all buildings and key access to all bedrooms and flats. Plus, all rooms come with contents insurance, so you've got peace of mind that if anything is broken, lost or stolen, it will be repaired or replaced quickly and easily. Working across our residences, as well as our hall management teams, are our residence experience team. Every hall has residential assistants in residence who are current students. They live in the accommodation and are on hand in the evenings and throughout the night to provide pastoral support and a friendly face to any students who need a bit of help settling in or dealing with an issue.
The residential experience team are based within the halls of residence, and we provide support to students on health and wellbeing and also encourage participation in our activities and events.
Alongside the residential experience team, the university also has fantastic wellbeing services. There are various elements of support on offer here based on what our students need, from help on looking after their overall wellbeing to more focused one-on-one counselling sessions. The support services are an excellent port of call for students who wish to get more focused help with some of their problems. If your son or daughter is over 18, we treat them as an adult, and as such, if they have any issues during their time at the university, we will only discuss those issues with them and no one else. That means that if you have a question about your son or daughter's well-being, or a question about a particular issue they have, we cannot discuss this with you. We know this can be frustrating, however we treat all of our residents who are aged 18 and over as individual adults who have a right to privacy. Of course, your son or daughter is completely free to talk to you and you to them. It's just any communication between them and us that we can't pass on. If you do have any wellbeing concerns about your son or daughter, encourage them to get in touch with student support or the residential experience team. They're both fantastic support providers, used to dealing with issues big and small. We hope you support us in supporting your son or daughter during their time in University of Nottingham accommodation. We can't wait to make them feel at home.